Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to temporarily disable your Instagram account, and this process is the same for both Android or iOS. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram account. Then once you're on the page of the Instagram account you want to deactivate, the next thing you need to do is to go to the home page of your account. Then once you're there, the first thing you have to do is to go to the top right corner of the page and click on the options menu. Once you've done that, go to settings at the bottom of the page and click on it. Then go to help, just look for help and click on help. Then click on help center. Then the next thing you need to find here is managing your account. Just click on that. Then scroll down and click on delete your account. Then click on how do I delete my Instagram account. Then scroll down and click or look for delete your account. Just click on that. Then you should be brought to this page where you should see temporarily disable your account. Just click on that. Then if you scroll down, you should see where Instagram would ask you some questions. Why are you disabling your account? So you just click on the arrow there and pick any options you like. Then once you have selected what you want, just input your password for your account. And once you have inputted your password, the next thing you have to do is just click on temporarily disable account. Once you do this, your account will be temporarily disabled just as you wanted. And if for any reason in the future you would like to reactivate your account again, just log on to your Instagram account, input your username and your password, and then you should see an option to reactivate your account. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.